Guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this filter video transition on CapCut PC. So go to filters and select any filter that you want. For instance, like this red one, this blue one, any one that you like. Is going to select this blue one and add it on the video and add it till the end. Right click copy, right click paste on the video, and then we are going to just select these like the filter and the video, right click, create compound clip. Add in a keyframe in opacity, and then sort of here you are going to turn the opacity down to 0, and you'll be able to see this filter kind of like transition into the first video coloring, I guess. This is what it should look like at the end. If you want the transition to be slower, you can definitely move the keyframe, but I think this is enough. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!